Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and happy 2020 everyone. I know that I already said that if you guys watched my last video, and if you haven't, it's up in the eye in the corner. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing my 2020 channel plans. I am so excited for this video because every year I do something like this where I kind of explain what we're going to do this year on my channel. I have some things that I really want to try out for you guys. So if you guys didn't watch last year's video, I mean, I don't know how that would be very relevant right now, but if you guys want to go check it out, it's also in the description or in the eye in the corner. And so if you guys want to check that out, you guys can, but let's just go ahead and get on into the video. If you guys found this helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below so you guys don't miss any of these awesome videos if you guys want to stick around. I hope you guys do, and you guys seem to have liked all the videos that I did last year. I thought it was really cool to start doing bullet journal videos because that was something that I really liked watching at the time. So I really do like filming those videos, and I obviously love creating them, which is why I decided to do these in the first place, but I also wanted to do some other things that I am interested in now. For example, if you guys have been here since the very start of my channel, which I bet very few of you guys have been. If you guys are here since the start, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys are still watching these videos. I know my videos have changed a lot since the very beginning to now. For example, at the beginning, I was doing 3 different types of videos. I did gaming, cooking, and DIYs, and I kind of started to just do only DIYs and bullet journal now, but I really did like making cooking videos for you guys. Also, those were like some of my most popular videos.
Okay guys, so I am on my channel right now and I am sorting all of my videos by most popular, and the ones that are your guys' favorites were the ways to reuse Pokemon cards, which is a DIY video. We have custom Crocs, which is, oh, it's reloading. We also have DIY custom Crocs, which I just made over, I think, half a year ago or 5 months ago. And we also have all of these DIYs, and you guys seem to really like these, as well as some cooking videos down here. So those are some of your guys' favorites, so I'm definitely going to make more of them.
And so if you guys have been here from the beginning, make sure to leave in the comments down below what kind of videos you liked and what kind you want to see, or if you guys are new, also leave in the comments what kind of cooking videos or DIY videos you want to see, because I really did like making those. Here are some of the kinds of videos that I made back then, and I really did enjoy them. Also, I got to eat them afterwards, so that was a big bonus. And that was also super fun for me to make and film and edit for you guys. So I really want to bring some of my cooking videos back. If you guys are wondering why I am doing all these bullet journal videos and not so much DIY anymore, I really wanted to focus last year on more bullet journal videos instead of doing just DIYs, but I did have so many videos that I filmed, I just didn't have time to edit, so they never got uploaded for you guys. If you guys do want to see those videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see some of those videos, if I want to upload them maybe in a few weeks or something, if you guys want to see them. Also, there are some videos that I think that you guys really enjoyed and you seem to a lot. A few of them were how to edit photo videos, as well as DIY videos. Again, there's this one video that I made which was DIY Crocs, and I loved that video so much because I actually needed to decorate my Crocs because I thought it would be super fun. Also, it was a really big trend of hydro dipping and doing all these different kinds of DIYs to shoes, phones, anything like that. If you guys want to see more of those kinds of videos, make sure to also leave that in the comments down below. I hope that you guys want to see more of those videos. Also, I was doing some outfit ideas videos. It was kind of fun to put together outfits because then I had some ideas for school, but if you guys also want to see those, then make sure to leave them in the comments because I really want your guys' opinions of what you guys want to do, as well as what I'm interested in at the time. So as I was saying before, I'm not super into bullet journal videos anymore because last year I really wanted to make that the main focus of my channel, but this year I'm going to be spicing things up a little bit. Now this year I definitely want to focus on more different things, more like travel videos, because I actually love making travel collages for you guys. If you guys want to see it, it's also in the eye and the corner. Those are like some of my favorite videos to make. So if I go on any trips or something like that, if you guys want to see them, make sure to leave that in the comments. I know there's so many things to leave in the comments, but if you guys do want to, then make sure that you do that. So I'm definitely going to add in some more travel videos. I'm going to do some more cooking videos, do more kind of lifestyle stuff like that because I do enjoy watching those. And I'm of course going to keep doing bullet journal videos because I think that this has definitely turned into more of a bullet journal and lifestyle channel more than like DIYs DIYs and cooking, but I'm definitely going to add in some of those here and there as well, because my videos have definitely changed from the beginning of my channel to the end, and the past few weeks they've just been a different kind of video. I don't know if it's like aesthetic type of video, I don't know, but I really do like the kind of music that I'm using. And so that's about it for my 2020 plans video. If you guys did like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like any of the ideas that we talked about here. I hope that you guys subscribe and join the hashtag #EpicOwlFam. I haven't said that in so long. Again, I feel like last year was kind of more of an experiment year, and this year we're just going to be cruising. But yeah, that is basically what we are going to be doing this year, and I hope that you guys stick around to see all these videos through the new year. Bye!